Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stabbing.
Ay, putang ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Next, nice, o drop. O Wigglypuff. O ito Blastoise.
DP ako ah.
Blastoise, sumuro kayo sa
ayun o, nagtatarot. Ayun o, sinatarot ko, ayun o.
Tarot, Master Pikachu.
Yung nagtatarot, guys, yung nagtatarot.
Omae wa mou shindeiru. Nani?
Oh, bagsak! Okay, dropping yan. Go, Blastoise.
Blastoise o.
Walang awat ha?
Ubus na sila.
Oh, yun. Gyarados. Tuluwi sa...
Omae wa mou shindeiru. Nani?
Ayan o, Wigglypuff.
Balik.
Ayan pa.
Omsim. Oh, yeah, may tumatakas o.
Dami nun yung.
Balik lang.
Sa likod.
Sila nasa may ano.
Angat dito.
May entrance.
Angat, go.
Ubusin na.
Andito ako.
Ubusin nyo. Ubusin nyo.
Anong gentle? Ilalabas ko na ang aking dragon eh.
Okay,
guys.
Sige,
Tara.
Walang awat ha?
Pasok na!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
May LP na.
Nanalo rin si Pat.
Tangin ninyo.
Salamat sa plugin.
Nice one, Pat.
Tangin ninyo.
Mas ang gaming yung tayo.
Tangin ninyo.
Nice equal.
Nice equal runs.
Nakita ko, abot na ni Ripe eh.
Nice equal.
Tangin ninyo.
Yung isa dumapa sa sniper.
Kapasigaw ako dito sa amin. Bulat sila.
Iyak na yan.
Blue.
Shoutouts kay Blue ah.
Di kailangan extra rice. Call me
Hindi pa. Doble.
My name is
Uy! Pinasok ko yung ano. Pinasok ko ah. Pinasok ko ah. Nag-LB ako sa loob.
Duplate mo lahat.
LB ako sa loob ah.
Hindi pwedeng mawala, nag-i-improvise. Mata sobrang tus, look into my eyes.